Mattress Mack here. I'm here with my friends from North Shore Elementary School, right?
Yes.
Yes.
My name is Sarah Denise. I'm one of the assistant principals.
My name is Esmeralda Perez. I'm the school principal.
My name is Carmela Garcia, school counselor.
We're here today because of a tragic situation of one of the students at your school, right?
Yes.
Dad killed the mom recently. How many children they have?
They have 4.
One at the elementary, one at the middle school, a 3-year-old, and a 19-year-old.
A 19-year-old.
And so now they're living with an aunt, and the aunt needs mattresses, box foundations, and frames so the kids can stay with the aunt and not have to go to CPS, right?
Yes. Right, that's right.
So this is a tragedy, and these wonderful people called me this morning asking, could I help with these mattresses? Of course we can help with the mattresses, and we're also going to start a Gallery Furniture GoFundMe page for the family, and this is totally separate from the school, and all the money, 100% will be donated to the family, and we'll figure out with these great teachers how to do that. We want to show the spirit of thousands of great Houstonians and Texans that can donate. Tell me what all they need.
They need pull-ups, small and medium for the younger kids, toilet paper, toiletries, laundry detergent, pillows, toothbrushes, hairbrushes, deodorant, the bath towels for the kids, canned goods, and then clothing and shoes.
They not only lost their mom, but they lost all their possessions. Donate to the Gallery Furniture GoFundMe page. We're just getting it right now. We'll post it up on the video. Join in helping these children and join in helping and praying for the mom, of course, praying for the dad, praying for everybody. We're donating $5,000 from Gallery Furniture to start off the effort, but we need a lot more than that to help these children out. And all the money will go through these wonderful teachers who I trust implicitly to get the money to the family and help out the situation. So
I just want to say that as a school counselor, we're here, the educators are partners with our families, and we want you to be able to come to us with your concerns. If they know of a situation happening at home, please reach out to us. Don't be embarrassed. We want to be able to help. We want to be able to try to prevent situations like this from happening.
We are incredibly grateful to you for your generosity. I really appreciate it. It's in these times of need that we really need people with compassion and to support the people that are hurting right now.